welcome you watching Donbosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rambai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Let us take a look at the headlines for today. World Day of the Sick commemorated at Nazareth Hospital. GES urges action on non-functional Rongchongre sub-center in South Garo Hills. Elderly man injured in accident near Nongpo DC office. And IES chairman discusses tree preservation and agriculture initiatives in Shillong. And now the news in detail. In a spirit of compassion and solidarity, the CRI Shillong Lajmkra Circle commemorated the World Day of the Sick at Nazareth Hospital. The program, coordinated by Sister Shalini FSP and Sister Noreen HCM, began with a warm welcome from Sister Christina MSMHC in Khasi, followed by a scripture reading by Brother Stanley SG. Sister Cecilia Sad VSDB led a heartfelt prayer for the sick, while aspirants from St. Margaret's Convent performed a Marian hymn. A moving skit by Rapspur nursing students added a poignant touch. The event, concluding with a final hymn, reflected CRI Shillong's Jubilee Year Pilgrims of Hope action plan, highlighting care and solidarity. The Garo Enlightenment Society, GES, of South Garo Hills District has raised concerns over the long-standing issues at the Rongchongre Sub-Center Wellness Center, which has remained non-functional since its completion in 2008. While the center is currently operated by the HUNS organization in collaboration with the state government, villagers report that essential services are hindered due to a lack of proper accommodation for staff who are forced to stay in the Rongchongre Community Hall and school buildings. Medical supplies and equipment are also stored in these inadequate spaces. Despite repeated appeals by villagers to local leaders and officials, no action has been taken to address these concerns. The center serves over 30 villages, and the GES has now urged the health officer and health and family welfare minister, Maisel Amprin Lingdo, to intervene. If no action is taken, the GES has threatened legal action under the Indian public health standards.
Nagimang yan South Garo Hills ni nungo dongbong da super block ni nungo ka hindi ba PHC de sliki griyo ka nagimang ya Rongchongre health sub center kora bilsi sininas kangan galspido na ha mamung pangsinong jaha bisong sungni nokni mandrang ni thalatanik dade aro chinga thanang bari ibaming inspection ang kodaka ha uni gisepon hazagani cheto yakor kimna mamung pangsinong ani kore dakjaha aro dengtang GPS rango location ang ko search ka gen chumbong odei ba tauni gede kimna South Garo so baita ge sub center rang donga warang ko search ka gen chumode list rang ko naman gen silki ge PHCO ya Rongchongre sub center napani ko uni gise pon government ni record ode ba government ni data ode yade ungmana sa jok pangsinong inga sa jok andi ba yera puli pangsinong emo jingama yako darang pa nirok sandek ba dungja tao dapat ya nokko galspi nonan besi sisnirang kaping ha andi ba tao de wamang state government baksa hans gesa organization rang bisong collaboration ng emang na yako run kainga uni gisepon tao ni gideke wano kaing kapa NM rang bisong de community hall rang sa dongnak tanaking ha maina no be room rang panga ruta besi rang galspa ha mamung referring dongja mamung thari tapani dongja ha dita busirang na gatspani gemen wamang de nokcham dongja e community holang osa sungni nokni community holang osa tongna gata nanginga ha apsan na kemeng na dengtang medical equipments rang ba medicine rang ko ba bisong de wanosa store khaidona nanginga uni gisepon wamang sungni nokni thalatani gade dengtang official rang na ba local leader rang na thalatani ko na chim di ba wamang na mamung takchakani ko ba mamung akan sakani ko ba dakjaha wamang banganing ng kanirang ko maningon chingko yako nirok na katok kamenta ha uni gemen chinga dengtang mancha South Garo Hills ni medical officer na ba anching ni state health and family welfare minister na ma ampan lingdo na ba thalat nagtas ka ya niknik kanirang ko tharak ke nirok at pachina mainano ba yan dakba sunga damrango dengtang sana bananirang ko chunga kata manjani asel pasako ba de mandirang janggirang ko gumata na sokinga jekai batang gemen somai rango ba wamang rama birang namjani gemen wachi kari rango sanram biaprang chung akta dongjani gemen sobado hospital langchi rang buteng rangon rama rango janggi galarang ko mat nahan ya kaninga metam de songo nokwan sanna banani ko mat jai mung anthalang janggi ko mat nang ha ni thalat ni rangko batak ha uni gemen chinga ya andake galchpi donani rangko nang nukja tharak khale ya dao galchpi doning pa jian government ni gesa de government ni
Bahadur Sunar, a 69-year-old resident of Shang Bangla, was seriously injured on February 11th when he was hit by an escort vehicle while attempting to cross the road near the DC office in Nongpo. The incident occurred around 10:30 a.m. as the vehicle was traveling from Shillong to Guwahati Airport. After striking Bahadur, the vehicle crashed into the road divider, causing the front wheel to collapse. Bahadur was immediately taken to Nongpo Civil Hospital, where doctors assessed his condition as critical and transferred him to Shillong for further treatment. Police from the Nongpo police station are investigating the incident. Swapan Mehra, chairman of the IES, visited Shillong on February 11th and met with Papanyat Singh CEM of KHADC to discuss a collaborative project involving IES, KHADC, JHADC and GHADC that has been ongoing for over a year. Mehra outlined the project's goal to preserve trees and promote environmental greenery, crucial for the health and longevity of mankind. He encouraged landowners to plant trees on their properties, with the state government offering financial incentives for those who conserve trees and forests. Mehra also highlighted plans to train farmers in using carbon-based fertilizers to improve agricultural efficiency. He mentioned that the US government strongly supports forest conservation, although a scheduled visit from a US leader was cancelled due to illness.
This program, and we are soon about to monetize their first carbon in the next 2-3 months. We have onboarded 19,000 hectares, about 9,000 farmers onto our digital platform, and our goal is to take this to 100,000 hectares. Our partnership with KHADC here is very critical, and KHADC under his leadership has been supporting this program for the very beginning. Last year the Honorable Chief Minister launched this program, and then we had a workshop where he also attended. And KHADC has helped us connect with the communities, helped us brief the communities about the value of carbon and the importance of carbon and other such environmental finance, and has also offered to us that we partner with KHADC to leverage their nurseries, the forest department, as long as it benefits the farmers and communities and increases their income. So this is our partnership. Now we are also talking to other funders. One of them is the USDFC and so on and so forth, to actually invest in Meghalaya, and our goal is to work with the state government and the district councils to actually make Meghalaya the green economy hub of India. That is our key goal. So that is why I'm here, to just visit again and update him on the progress of our project, and then to express our interest to continue to work together in this direction. Just
kuman shu ai jimut no ngidon karirai no kata ka community land te kirirai ki babon bha por rikhasi ki dangdon nangta kidon ru kiniki klaukur mo kibrikur ru kidang bon bha nangta ki brishimet lani ki khndo shimet but kamtam ru nakamta kini kinong rep ki bodan ki bri kwai ki bri so bakiwe bakini kin penne pensa yaki dingso yaki ding ki se ki banlong ka jingmentoi ha nakamenta kataka baka kanyarap yaka maryang pendunai kenika jing sneo jongka suing beneng kamtam haka bede but ka jing long kenika global warming haka perthai bro kawai te ki babun bha ki companies ki ba lani ki kinhon Trayman Subhan shabar jongka ri India ki pledging mut bha ni po Meghalaya nama hang ni po Meghalaya kadang day ke caka ke ba jerngam mo kata ka green hub ka bangi kwa ban da kumno ru let's say ba ka Meghalaya sai sien ka jing jerngam ka jongka jela ka jing kan long ka jimentoi om tang ya ki pat apo jela Henry nam ta ka north east but nam ta ka perthai bro kawai te kajing sultanat kajongi ban pensnowi ki pai ba habidip kini program kalong ba lada ki pai ba kiri ki sumal ha ki thong ki ding kamut kandon jimentoi ki omtang bangi yo kal air ka bakhu ki oxygen Henry ngi diru yaka shabar ha kani ka benta te kani di kajing tngu jong kani kajing kendu jungi bat kani ka program ngila sedang nadu mentala shisnem tam bat mentas ngi sultanat inshallah wan lang I ba swapan napo Delhi ide chairperson jong ka ora ringkat ba representative napo ka sarkar jong ka ri Amerika ibalong ru I clear jong ka ni ka international finance development finance te Henry na
The Donbosco Mukro Pelun, which had earlier decided to boycott the MDC election 2025 due to grievances over Assam government's attacks, informed the Deputy Commissioner of their decision. In response, district authorities led by Executive Magistrate G.H. Pasa held a Dorbar Pelun on February 10, 2025 to address the issues. Following a written assurance from the district authorities to establish a border outpost police (BOP) and address other concerns, the Mukro village withdrew its decision to boycott the election. The Deputy Commissioner of West Jaintia Hills District issued a notice regarding the allegations, and another meeting is scheduled for February 26, 2025 to further discuss the issues faced by the villagers.
Ham tabur upen bori bi wamnut tang upen sia chwai po ka chunga thau lada pi snau si bi lada pi anjing snau bi upuyu ka dak ka chin ka chunang gua poi duna nyau spa thanda yung ka poi da poi ka
Rema ding snau bi po district administration orang di Khubor
Pak kita. Om kakak. Tôi chung là tôi. Dạ chuẩn được.
Det kita.
So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.